Today we will explain, when a technical file is complete, how to share it with the customer. Before sharing, we should check the technical file to see whether all uploaded documents have been linked to requirements. If a provisional category was previously selected, please be sure to wait until an expert has recommended a category. Link documents to the correct requirements, then Share File. Now we will go to the Sharing tab. Click on Add Share. We can enter the email address to which you would like to share file. Enter a name. If you would like the recipient to be able to view and clone, you can choose View and Clone. Comments. If there are any special remarks about this technical file which should be communicated to the customer, you can leave the information here. Here you can also add extra documents. And it is possible to exclude certain documents which you do not wish to share with the customer. You can select these documents. Click on Next when you are done. The name of the company is also a required field. Click on Next. Enter the article number here. You can also click to paste. Then go to the next step. Once the information has been filled in, we can click on Save and Share. And the sharing is done. The current status is pending. We will wait for the customer to accept the file. After we have shared the file, and when we see the technical file in Overview, we will notice an icon for Shared with Third Party. Thank you.